In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Bookmarks bar if it's missing in Google Chrome. If your Bookmarks bar has suddenly disappeared, don't worry, it's usually just been turned off in Chrome settings and can be restored in a few clicks. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu to open Chrome's options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left side and click Appearance. Now scroll down until you find the Show Bookmarks Bar option. If the toggle is turned off, click it to turn it on. As soon as you enable the setting, your Bookmarks bar should reappear directly below the address bar. If the Bookmarks bar still doesn't show up, try pressing Ctrl+Shift+B on your keyboard. This shortcut toggles the Bookmarks bar on and off instantly and can often fix the issue right away. And that's how you can fix a missing Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.